if you receive any attachments in email, then you can go around onto that particular email and you would see it in this format right here. If it is a regular attachment, you'd see it under here, and any Google Drive attachment may be added in as a link over here as well. But they would still show it under the list right here, just like this. So over here, you can see that I got this image, and then if I were to click on this image, you can see I can view this. So for the attachments, as long as they are like let's say supported by Google services, you will be able to see the preview of them as well, and it uses Google Drive right here. So you can go around and add that attachment to your drive or download it by using this button right here, or access the more actions right here as well if you want to, like you can directly save it into photos and so forth. But let me just go around and click on download, and now what happens is that it prompts me to download out the attachment, and then it gets downloaded over here. So let me just go around, get out of the full screen, and you can see the download right here for the attachment. You can go around and see for some of it, you can see there's no preview available right here for the attachment. So you can download this, or if it is supported by some apps that you may have, you can see that it says open with diagram.net right here over here. So you can directly open it out by using that option as well. Same goes for this. And for this one as well, you can see that it says it can't preview, but you can download out the file right here just like this, and it prompts you to download it. And over here, there's a sites file right here. And if I were to click on it, you can see the example right here, and you can open this with Google Sites as well. So you can see that with all of the attachment, there are different options, like you can add a shortcut to the drive for this attachment, but for this one, you can add to your drive, or you can download it right here. If you want to download out all of the attachments that there are, then you can click on this button right here, and it zips out all of the attachments, and it downloads it out right here, just like this. So not all of the attachments here are supported. So for this one, it is not downloaded. But if I were to go around over here, you can see that 4 of the attachments are here. You can go around and click on add all to drive. And what happens is that all of the attachments will be added onto your drive. So if I were to go around onto organize, then you would be able to see all of your attachments being added onto your drive as well. And that is how you can go around and access received attachments in email in multiple ways. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.